Affirmative and negatives are nothing but the opposite words. Now we'll see few examples. He is walking slowly. Here we need to add or we need to use negative. So negative sense, he is not walking fast. Now here we have used two opposite words, that is slowly and fast. When we add the opposite word, then automatically we can transfer this sentence from affirmative to negative sentence. Let's take one more example. The man is poor. The man is not rich. Poor and rich, these are opposite words. Now sometimes we cannot use the negative words or opposite words. So that time we need to use a word without. Once we use without word, it automatically consider as a negative form of word or negative sense of that sentence. Let's take one example. Every rose has thorns. I am repeating, every rose has thorns. Here we cannot use the negative or opposite words to the thorns. So here we can arrange the negative in this manner. There is no rose without thorns. Did you understand, student? Without word, the use of without word. Now let's move to next slide. Again one more example. Where there is a will, there is a way. Again I am repeating, where there is a will, there is way. Fine. So answer would be, there is no way without will. There is no way without will. This is the use of word without in the affirmative and negative sentence. Now let's see one more example. That is, once we want to transform from affirmative to negative, we can use to. Instead of we can use to, we use so that. So we have to change the sentence from to so that. Here, he is too dull to pass the exam. He is too dull to pass the exam. Now here the to the words has been used. Now we'll transform this letter to the so that. So answer is, he is so dull that he cannot pass the exam. He is so dull. Here instead of to, TOO, we have used so dull, and then TO2, instead of that we have used that. He is so dull that he cannot pass the exam. Now few times or sometimes we need to use degrees to make the negative sentence. Pune is smaller than Mumbai. Here we can use as it's a positive degree. Positive, though it is mentioned as a positive degree, but from the positive degree we can make the sentence negative, or we can make the negative sense in that sentence. Answer will be, Mumbai is not as small as Pune. I repeat, Mumbai is not as small as Pune. Here with the help of degree we have transformed the sentence from affirmative to negative. One more example. Gopal is as tall as Mohan. Answer, Mohan is not taller than Gopal. In the 11th standard, we have learnt about the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Before this example, we have seen the example of positive degree. Here, this is the example of comparative degree, where we can use not but in a positive manner, and this sentence comes under in a negative form of sentence. So Mohan is not taller than Gopal. Just we have rearranged the sentence, we have changes the sequence of the sentence, and we can make the sentence negative. Let's take one more example. That is, we can use as soon as, we can use no sooner than instead of as soon as. As soon as, it comes under in a affirmative sentence, that is positive, and in negative, no sooner than. No sooner than indicates the sense of negative. Example, as soon as he opened the door, the bird flew away. Instead of as soon as, once we write no sooner, then automatically we will turn that sentence from affirmative to negative. So here in the sentence, there is a past tense in that sentence, and how we come to know that past tense is there in the sentence? That is opened. Opened is the past form or past tense of the word open. Now when there is a past tense in the sentence, we need to use did. Fine. So because of that, we have used did here. So answer will be, no sooner did he open the door than the bird flew away. Yes, instead of as soon as, we have add no sooner. Because of the past tense opened, we have used did, and then we have to continue the sentence. No sooner did he open the door than the bird flew away. Did you understand, student? Now, here is a new format, we can say. With the help of this format also, we can make the sentence negative. For that purpose, we need to use fail to, means do not. Fails to, it is does not. And failed to, did not, means instead of fail to, fails to, fail to, we can use do not, does not, did not, as per the tense of that sentence. Fail to is a present tense, fails to is also a present tense, and failed to is a past tense. Let's take example. He failed to understand. Now failed is a past tense. So because of this past tense, we need to add did not. So he failed to understand means he is not getting anything. He had not got anything. Fine. So answer will be, he did not understand. Yes, he did not understand. Here we have changed fail to in did not. Next, it is also very important. Instead of only, alone, merely, we are using none but, nothing but, not more than, not less than. Yes, instead of only, alone, merely, we have to use, or we must to use none but, nothing but, not more than, not less than. Fine, let's take few examples of this. Only God can help us. Now only means without God nobody will help us. So only God will help us. So in that case, the answer will be, or the answer is, none but God can help us. None but God can help us. Here but is important to write. Second sentence, he has only a ball. Here has is been used. Now he has only a ball. We need to add here nothing but. He has nothing but a ball. He has nothing but a ball. Let's move towards the third sentence. He has only 10 rupees. Here only, instead of only, we are using not more than. See, students, you have to go accordingly. Means if there is a only word, we have to use none but. If there is a alone word, we have to use nothing but. If there is a not more than, if there is a merely, then we are using not less than or not more than. Both will be correct. He has only 10 rupees. Here he has not more than 10 rupees. He has not more than 10 rupees. In this slide, we'll see instead of unable to, we can use cannot, could not. Here, I have taken one example. He was unable to climb the mountain. He was unable to climb the mountain. Instead of unable to, we have to write cannot or could not. We need to think about the tense of that sentence and then we have to add. If there will be the past present tense, we are using cannot, but here in this sentence we have past tense, so we are using could not. So answer is he could not climb the mountain. He could not climb the mountain. Why we have used could not? Because in the sentence given question, the tense of that sentence is past tense. So instead of unable to, we need to add could not. One more type of this affirmative negative is unless and if not. Instead of unless, we can use if not. See, till the 10th standard we have gone through all this grammar part, and this is a revision of this part. Means degree, tenses, then so that, then unless. These are the examples of means in the secondary section only you have learnt it. If you want more, you just go through the 10th standard, 8, 9, 10 standard grammar textbooks. Fine, let's see. Instead of unless, we are using if not. Unless you study hard, you will fail. Instead of unless, we have to write if, and then we have to add not in between that. If you do not study hard, you will fail. If you do not study hard, you will fail. This is a negative sentence. Next, this is the 10th. It's not example, but it's a method which we use to make the sentence negative sentence. So here, instead of must, we can use cannot but. We must obey our parents. We must obey our parents. This is simple present tense sentence. So here we are not using could not. Here we will use cannot but. So answer will, we cannot but obey our parents. Did you understand, students? As per the tense, we need to transform the sentences. It's a 11th method. Instead of always, we can use never. Raju always attends the class. Raju always attends the class. Here why we have used as to attends? Because here Raju is a person. We are mentioning that person, and because of he or Raju, we have used as to the verb. Here it's a simple present tense sentence. Answer will be, you just remove or skip the always and we have to add never in that. So answer will be Raju never misses the class. Now here we have used opposite word also, attends. We cannot say there is a correct opposite word here, but here we have to use paradox concept. Paradox concept means two opposite concepts or two opposite meanings. Fine. So here attends and misses, this is the opposite words and we have to use never. Fine. Now let's move towards the next slide. As. instead of as we can use not less than. Mother is as important as father. Here as this kind of form or this kind of structure has been used. Mother is as important as father. As we have seen, if there is a as in the sentence, we need to add not less than. Means mother is also important, father is also important. No one is less important in our life. Fine. So answer is father is not less important than mother. Yes, father is not less important than mother. Means both are equally important. Let's towards new slide. Yes, this is a actually very important point when there is a universal truth, or we can say that when the things we cannot change or nothing will be changed in this universe. So that truths or that things are comes under in a universal truth. The sun sets in the west. It's a universal truth. We cannot make any changes in that daily routine or in that truth. So whenever there is a universal truth, we cannot change the tense also. All the universal truths you will get in present tense only. Like sun sets in the west, sun rises in the east. These are the universal truth. Take one more example. The earth revolves around the sun, or moon revolves around the earth. These are all in the present tense, and we need to keep as it is all the tenses of that sentence. So here the answer is here for the making negative we need to use does and not. So does not the sun set in the west? Here the question mark has been used here because without making question we cannot make that sentence in a negative form. So sometimes we need to make questions to turn or to transform the sentence from affirmative to negative. So again I am reading the same answer. Doesn't the sun set in the west? Fine. Next, it's a 14th one. We have to use not always instead of sometimes. Here, Raju sometimes visit me. So instead of sometimes, we have to use not always. So the sentence is in present tense. So here we have to use do or does. So Rajiv, after the noun of Rajiv, we have to use does. If there would be the I or they, we, such kind of nouns or subjects would be there, then we have to use do. Fine. But here Rajiv is there, so we have to use, or it is necessary to use does. So after does we need to add not and always. Rajiv does not always visit me. Rajiv does not always visit me. So here just think about it, ki how we have make changes in the sentence. Next, 15th one. Instead of many, we have to use not a few. Yes, I have many friends. Now here I subject is there. So after I, we are using do. So I do not have a few friends. Always remember that we need to add the supporting verb, that is do, does, did. Fine. If there would be the past tense, we need to add did in that sentence. I do not have a few friends. Instead of much, we have to use a little. She belongs much money. She does not belong a little money. She belongs much money. And answer is she does not belong a little money. Means uh, she has lots of money with her. So, or we can say she has or she belongs enough money with her. So here much and little both are sound same, both indicates the same meaning. Thing as students, we are not going to change the meaning of the sentence, but we are going to change the structure of the sentence to make the sense of negative. That's it. We should not change the meaning of the sentence. So here much and little sound same, both are correct, both are sound same, much and little. So here instead of much we have to use doesn't, a little. Fine, doesn't and a little. Now we are going to see 18th one. A little, instead of a little we have to use not much. Here what we have done here in this slide, instead of much we have used a little, because as I told you that same sounds as both words are sound the same meaning. Fine. So here instead of a little we are going to use not much. Let's take example. Komal has a little milk. Komal has a little milk. Here Komal, because of Komal we are using does, and not we have to use not much. Komal doesn't have much milk. Yes, Komal doesn't have much milk. After doesn't we cannot use has. After doesn't we need to use, or it is necessary, it's must to use have. Sometimes we are using hardly and never. So here instead of hardly we are going to use never. He hardly attends the meeting in time. Means he never ever attends meeting in time. Hardly means least possible. It sends 1% positivity or 1% attendance only. We can make sense. So here hardly means he म्हणजे तो कधीच अटेंड करत नाही. So instead of that hardly we are using never, because we know that he never ever attend meetings in time. He never attends the meeting in time. That is the answer of this sentence. Yes, it is also a very important thing. We already have learnt it in the 11th standard also, till the 10th standard also. Not only but also. Actually this not only but also word gives us, or that words emphasis more on the sentence, or it emphasize more on the meaning of that sentence. So we are using not only but also. Let's take example. He was rich and powerful. Answer will be he was rich, means he is rich also as well as powerful also. Means he is not only the rich but he is also a powerful. So rich and powerful both are the strong points of him. So here he was not only rich but also powerful. So we have to use not only but also to make the sentence in a negative form. Here affirmative and negative. Let's take a different example. It is unique. It is unique. So answer will be nothing is like this. Nothing is like this. One more example. I seldom go there. Means sometimes I am going there. And means very hardly. I never ever go there. For that purpose we need to use don't. I seldom go there means I hardly. So as we have seen that when we are using hardly, merely we have to use not, do not, does not, did not. Fine. So here answer will be I don't go there very often. So here seldom means hardly, often means daily. So these two words are opposite to each other. So here we have used negative means not, do not, and often is a positive word. Often is a opposite word of seldom. So answer is I do not go there very often. Yes, next example. They won all the matches. They won all the matches. Means what? They never ever lose any matches. They never ever get failure in their life or in their all the matches. Amongst all the matches, we can say. So the answer is they did not. Why did not? Because the sentence is in past tense. Won is a past tense of win. So here we can say they did not lose a single match. He did not use a single match is the answer of this sentence. So here we have used opposite word also, won and lose, and did not because of the past tense of the sentence. Here are few sentences which I have done negative. Very first is mother is always happy. Mother is always happy. As we have seen in the last few slides that instead of always we need to use never, and we have to write the opposite word of happy. So the answer will be mother is never unhappy. So here we have used never instead of always, and unhappy is the opposite word of happy. Everybody will admit it. Everybody will admit it. So here everybody, the opposite word of everybody is nobody. Admit, the opposite word of admit is deny. Yes. So the answer is nobody will deny it. Nobody will deny it. If you want references, you just go back to the slides and just revise one more time before going through this activity. Next is Parvati's voice is sweet. Parvati's voice is sweet. Fine. So here again we need to use opposite word. Parvati's voice is not harsh. Sweet and harsh, these are the opposite words. Next, his son is intelligent. His son is not dull. So intelligent, dull, opposite words. Next, Mohan is dishonest. Mohan is not honest. Dishonest, honest, opposite words. He trusted me. Distrusted, opposite word is trust. He distrusted me means only he did not trust me. Here also we can use believe and unbelieve, these two opposite words. Next sentence, always speak the truth. Opposite word, always, we are using never. Never tell lie. Truth and lie, both are the opposite words. Next, I shall always remember you. I shall never forget you. Remember and forget, these both are opposite words, and here because of always we have to use never. So these all are the examples of affirmative and negative, or how we can transform, or how we can make changes, or how we can change the affirmative sentences in negative. This is all about the affirmative and negative sentences.